I don't know. If
I know. I already put scope on the fab one. Just try not to use all the fab pistols.
Who the hell just shot me?
I think that might have been
Careful
My
not to shoot
health
each
is
other.
literally more than halfway down.
Oh yeah.
Hold on, I forgot to wipe my ass. Oh shit.
Oh,
I
right.
forgot all my bullets. No.
Look at that Randy dude, that cut
Yeah, I
motherfucker over
know,
there in
dude.
the
Look
corner.
at Randy over there, fucking buff as shit.
Flexing. That
Didn't even
flexing.
feel
Look at
the
him over
cold.
there.
Didn't even feel the cold.
Like, straight up, dude.
Dude, check out these push-ups.
Universe.
Yeah, straight
Oh,
up push
yeah.
up.
Let's go universe.
Damn, don't even try with your fat ass.
I can't do a push-up. Okay, we're here.
I can't do a push-up. Okay,
Alright,
everybody
knows how to get up.
follow me. Oh, yep, sweet. Follow Trumac up onto that thing. Lippy, follow me over here, dude.
I call them back.
Too far.
Too far.
Come back. Hurry up.
Oh fuck.
Dude, Leppy's fast as shit, dude. I don't think that shit saw us.
I don't think he's pissed off, so you gotta do that again.
Hold on.
Not that close.
Oh. Right, let's just. No, he's coming. Wait. Okay. I'm not sure what happened, but you don't need to go that far, dude. He will aggro from very far away, even though you're ridiculously quick.
Yeah, dude, you were so fast. Holy shit.
We got 18 minutes.
Yeah.
go.
Okay, just run up and aggro him, Lippy.
Just bottom of the
Just-
stairs is
Don't
fine.
go. Yeah.
Yeah.
If you need to, yeah. Yeah, he should aggro from there.
Nobody shoot until I give the word.
Oh, jeez.
What the fuck?
Alright,
Okay,
Alright,
come back.
looks like he's coming. He's moving. I think he's aggroed onto us. That's why he's probably stuck. Get closer, Leppy. Okay, move.
Okay,
Run, he's coming.
coming?
Is he coming?
I don't think so.
Fuck.
Maybe put a
Alright,
cap into him,
move
dude,
over.
and just
No, guys,
run.
move over. Yeah, move over a little bit. Like, move back and over his... I think he's aggroed onto us.
Yeah, we gotta go up there, Leppy.
Okay.
Oh, he's coming.
He's coming. Get back.
Leppy! Oh,
back,
fuck,
Leppy.
dude.
Oh fuck. Oh fuck.
Oh,
Okay, has this worked? Oh
Hey,
my god.
Yes.
Okay, Lippy, are you in position? Okay, everybody unload in his face.
Now I'm the king of the swingers, oh, the jungle VIP. I've reached the top and had to stop, and that's what's bothering me. I wanna be a man cub, and stroll right into town, and be just like the other men. I'm tired of walking around, oh, and it's like me. Can't learn to be human too. Oh, I wanna be like you. I wanna walk like you, talk like you too. You see it's true. And it's like me. Can't learn to be human too. Oh, I wanna be like you. I wanna walk like you, talk like you too. You see it's true. And it's like me. Can't learn to be human too. I wanna. Now don't try to kid me, man cub. I made a deal with you. What I desire is man's red fire to make my dream come true. Now give me the secret, man cub. Come on, clue me what to do. Give me the power of man's red flower so I can be like you. Oh. You see it's true. And it's like me. Can't learn to be human too. Oh.